These were like crappy old beams, and then we made new.
This is a new one. Okay.
Yeah. These are gorgeous. They look real, and they're gonna look way better than what's there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that, it's so cute. Oh, look at the cute little bed.
And then we did lighting in the beams.
And the beams don't look scary at all anymore.
Well, because they're brand new. But this is the showstopper.
No, that is beautiful.
Plenty of storage for their toys and books.
But who doesn't love a secret door? So just go around the corner and give it a little touch.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh. So you can walk up here?
Yes.
Can I do it?
They're gonna go
Oh, they're gonna go
bonkers.
crazy.
They're never gonna leave.
Like this is an awesome room. I wanna hang out in this room.
I know.
Yeah.
Let's go get them.
Okay. We're amazed. That feels so much more open and welcoming. There's so much space. It's incredible.
We hope that you guys love your new house. We love it so much. We had so much fun doing it.
It looks
Honestly.
beautiful. It's more than I could ever imagine.
Hands down, this is my best one yet.